Hey, welcome to Titan Reviews, and we'll be looking into this app that is called TikTok CashBot. We'll be reviewing it together. TikTok CashBot is a product by Wesley Virgin. I will assume you know who Wesley Virgin is, but if you don't know, we'll still be looking into it. We'll be looking at how TikTok CashBot works, how it can make money for you, if it is truly legit, meaning if it can actually make money for you, and how does it get TikTok to pay you, and how does it exploit the free traffic and everything. I'll be giving you the important details you need to know about TikTok cashbot, nothing less than that. So, without wasting any more of our time, what does TikTok cashbot promise us? TikTok cashbot is a one-click app that uploads viral videos to TikTok and gets free traffic in 2 to 3 minutes, which turns into repeat 25 to 50 payment. We'll be looking into this in details very soon, but let's just continue. Just hit the upload button and you are all set. With TikTok cashbot, they've been paid $214,000. It's a brand new app working flawlessly in 2022. Just upload the done for you videos and get free traffic in 2 to 3 minutes. Anyone can do this with zero experience. Tap into $75 billion TikTok algorithm. Zero risk, 365-day money back guarantee. If we are to briefly explain what TikTok cashbot does, it is an app that allows you that finds viral videos present that are trending presently on TikTok as we speak. It finds these videos for you and you upload those viral videos to get that traffic, to get a fraction of that traffic of that viral videos with 10 million views, 5 million views. As long as they are trending, TikTok cashbot is going to find it for you, and all you have to do is just to upload on your page, on your page, and you'll be getting this traffic within 2 to 3 minutes. It is that fast because these are viral videos, and the algorithm is so smart that when it knows when people know watch a particular videos. So when it says that yes, people are watching these videos, let me show it to more people that might be interested, and little by little you start getting the traffic gradually. As this you start seeing results within 2 to 3 minutes, and you don't have to have any technical skills. Even with zero experience, all you have to do is just upload the viral videos. And I mentioned we'll be talking about how you get paid the $25 to $50 payment. So if you want to get access to TikTok cashbot, there will be a link in the description. You can get it for instant access. Presently during the launch period, you can get it for $19. So let's just move forward. We've said earlier that they've made $214,000 in profit that has been paid out to users. This is a screenshot right here, and all you are doing is re-uploading viral videos. Yeah, we can see the rest of course is 23,000 views, which is a lot. If you are driving that traffic to an affiliate link, this is a lot of money, because I'm very sure you can't be selling a product of $1. Even though you're selling a product of $1, this is a lot of money. So in 3 steps, how do you receive $25 to $50 payment? So first step is just log into TikTok cashbot, and best part is that you can do this on both your computer and your mobile phone. Second step is just select one of the viral videos TikTok cashbot has found for you and just click the upload button. Number 3, receive. Each time we upload a video, we get free traffic in 2 to 3 minutes, turns into 25 to 50 payment. Now this is where the juicy part is. We mentioned how the algorithm works and how you get the traffic, as in you get the views on the videos you're uploading, because the algorithm knows and can detect the viral video, as in it knows that people are watching this video. So even though they are re-uploaded, and even you having a new channel doesn't mean you can't get the views, because it's a viral video. You definitely get a fraction of those videos. So the money comes in when those traffic clicks through your affiliate link and they buy through it. That is how you start getting the payment. It's not that TikTok is going to be paying you. TikTok doesn't pay people. is the traffic you're getting that you are going to use wisely. And that is what these are some of the benefits that comes with purchasing TikTok CashBot. First, Virgin is going to teach you how to make use of that traffic vigorously. So just to paraphrase, you get, let's say for example, you get 23,000 views on the video you uploaded. You get 23,000 views on the video you uploaded, and let's say 5,000 people clicked on your link, and 1,000 people bought through your link. That is how you get paid, and that's just how simple it is. There's nothing special, but the best part is getting those viral videos. You can go on TikTok and start finding viral videos by yourself, but actually getting the algorithm to pick your videos and also get views is where you be careful about, and that is what Voice Leveraging is also going to be teaching you with purchasing the TikTok CashBot. So these are some of the traffic visitors they've received from using TikTok CashBot. You can see 3,000, 2,000, 4,000, and so on. So with those 3 steps, you are away from the laptop lifestyle. So if you are tired of scams and ending lies, crappy products, then this is something for you. Because when you always try to make money online, one of the obstacles we all face is finding this traffic, and that is what TikTok CashBot is going to cover you on. A malfunctioning software and shiny objects. They just explain bunch of random stuff on their sales page, and at the end of buying, you see that it's just a crappy product. So you always believe that there's no breakthrough, there's no moving forward. But with TikTok CashBot, there is a breakthrough. So this is Wesley Virgin, and he claims to have 1,000 students who are profiting from his methods, and he has been making over 13. He has been making money online for over 13 years now. So with his new method, that is TikTok CashBot, you'll be able to generate traffic to your product, your affiliate links, and stuff like that. So this is TikTok, and let us briefly see how it works with the algorithm. We've all seen the buzz surrounding TikTok with all the hype around. One of my developers, Nathan, found a 75 billion TikTok algorithm, and he's figured out how to make it pay us money. He's letting us receive 25 to 50 payments without having to create videos ourselves. I'll get to that in just a moment, but I want you to pay attention to the fact I've explained how you get the 25 to 50 dollar payments without having to create videos. So to show that you actually get this traffic, we know how TikTok is everywhere now, and how we see people getting millions of views, 5 million views. It has 1.2 billion active users, and it's used by 18% of the internet. This is very large, even though it's just 18, and 52 minutes spent daily by each user. Just to see how big it is. And TikTok is no longer a fringe platform for poor teenagers. It is becoming popular among all age groups. There are freelancers on TikTok, there are many people on TikTok, there are brands on TikTok, because that is where people are, and that is where you should also be. And that is why TikTok CashBot is also going to work. There are a lot of money to be made. If you're on TikTok, you'll be familiar with people like this, Charlie D'Amelio, Addison Ray, and so on and so forth. So now you might be wondering, though we've said you're just uploading videos, but these are some of the obstacles you face if you are not getting those viral videos, and if you don't have a viral video to make. You might be filming videos which might seem really stressful. You might be showing your face, and video editing is also a thing. You might not know how to do all this, you might not know how to video edit, but with TikTok CashBot, you are just finding the viral videos and uploading. You don't have to film any videos, you don't have to show your face, because you might be camera shy. So if you are camera shy, you don't have a problem, and you don't need any expensive video equipment, or to take your time to learn how to edit videos. All you have to do is to click a button. TikTok CashBot will find the traffic for you, whereas the version will teach you how to get your videos to be seen also. So you've seen how it works. That is basically how TikTok CashBot works, and you can see relating to the algorithm, definitely it will work from you. So you say you upload 5 videos, you make $125, Upload 10 videos, we make $250. Upload 25 videos, we make $625. This is not entirely true, but getting traffic, getting people to see your videos, you definitely make this amount of money. So that is how easy it is, and he claims his saying daughter is making money with this. And there are many reviews on people that have used TikTok CashBot and have made money from it. If you want to check this yourself, there will be a link in the description below to check it out yourself. So it's your turn with 3 simple steps that we've explained for earlier. You can set up your TikTok CashBot account and just log in and start your work anywhere, anytime. It's very simple. No hosting, no paying for traffic, no creating products, no editing videos, no showing your face, no demands, none of all this. It says here, it says no creating products, so this is definitely making use of affiliate marketing to make the money. So with TikTok CashBot, since we've learned all that it offers, you are also going to be getting wonderful bonuses after purchasing TikTok CashBot. So looking at the features before we enter the bonuses, whether you have 2 years of experience or 2 weeks, it doesn't matter. TikTok CashBot gives you everything you need to start getting results from scratch. Works anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer and internet. Whether you're in Kenya, in India, and USA, it doesn't matter. With just a few clicks, you can get everything started. It is very simple to do, and it's also 100% legal to do, because they are practically forcing TikTok to pay us hundreds of dollars, whether they like it or not, through affiliate marketing. Zero expenses required. You don't need to buy any equipment. You can do everything on your mobile phone, even if you don't have a PC. No upsells, works on any device you want. And looking at the bonuses, you're receiving 100% brand new TikTok CashBot system. TikTok CashBot upload monetization technology is the most important part of TikTok CashBot. It's the key component that allows you to make money by uploading done for you videos on TikTok. This is where the money comes in, and this is what you'll be getting in TikTok CashBot. The mobile version and the step-by-step training videos to show you how to actually use it. So looking at the 1,000 free bonuses, you'll be getting $500 per day playing games. It's going to show you a way you can make money by playing games daily, making up to $500 per game per day, and also $300 paying by copy and pasting photos. You are going to see how we are making up to $300 daily, 100% legally, by copying and pasting photos. $800 in 1 hour with Google Chrome. If you have Google Chrome, with the version is going to show you how to make $800 with Google Chrome, and $400 per day with WhatsApp. So there's also a special bonus for the first 20 action takers, which is worth $997. So these are one of the wonderful things you'll be getting after purchasing TikTok CashBot. This is a no-brainer, and the best part is that there is 100% guarantee, meaning if you are not satisfied with using TikTok CashBot, you can always get a refund. So there is no risk, there is nothing you are losing. If you want to get started and start making money with TikTok today, that is booming everywhere, you can get started with. You can get access to TikTok CashBot today. So there will be a link in the description. If you want to get access to it, your chance to become an early adopter, just click here for instant access. There will be a link in the description if you want to get access to TikTok CashBot today. So this is my review on TikTok CashBot. I believe you expect and know how this and everything works, and I believe you understand how TikTok CashBot works. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.